Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your online reputation with Reputation.com detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Reputation.com website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Once registered, log in to your new account. Navigate to the dashboard to access the recovery tools. Begin by conducting a comprehensive audit of your online presence. Use the tools provided to search for mentions of your name or brand. Review the results carefully, noting any negative content. Identify the sources of this negative content. Assess the impact of each piece of content on your reputation. Next, focus on creating positive content. Write and publish articles or blog posts highlighting your achievements. Share success stories or testimonials from satisfied customers. Create engaging social media profiles. Post regularly to maintain an active online presence. Encourage happy clients to leave positive reviews. Monitor these reviews consistently for authenticity. Utilize the reputation management tools on the platform. Respond to negative reviews professionally and promptly. Address any issues raised and offer solutions. Request the removal of outdated or inaccurate information. Use the guidelines provided by each platform for content removal. In parallel, engage with your audience on social media. Answer questions and address concerns to build trust. Consider reaching out to journalists or bloggers to share your side of the story. If necessary, invest in paid advertising to promote your positive content. Assess your online reputation regularly using the platform's analytics tools. Make adjustments to your strategy based on these insights. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.